Name is Rajendra S. from Mysore. So I learned Vedic Maths, Abacus, Mental Maths from Inspiring Education Plus. Thank you so much for that one. Today I'm a Vedic Maths teacher. Basically I'm a language teacher, but I thought to learn Vedic Maths classes. So I got information about Inspiring Education Plus. So ma'am taught really well. So lots of skills I learned from Vedic Maths. Now I can say that I'm running four center in Mysore, so especially on Sunday. So one day I'm taking online. I'm taking classes. Now I'm starting online classes also. Totally, I'm saying that I have total 114 students in my classes, Vedic Maths classes. So it's all about inspiring education plus. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your help. So anytime if you ask any doubts, ma'am is ready to solve that doubts and all. So thank you for that one. So today I'm earning something. It's because of inspiring education plus. Thank you so much, ma'am, once again. So thank you so much.